Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees again. It's still the 18th of September, and we're going to be checking this double deep nuke out. It's number 632 nursery. So I took the top off it. I don't know why. Don't make it any quicker, does it? Take the feeders off. Take your feeder thing off, the feeder tray off. I think what I'm going to do is just take this frame here, this box here, and stick it over there. Last time we checked it, we had eggs, and I'm sure we had queens, we had eggs. But if we didn't, we'll find out here in a little bit. Okay. Okay. We're going to smoke a little bit on this top here. These will go down. We don't hurt nobody. I think we're going to go back out to the farm and nursery tomorrow. This one here is honey, pollen, brood, this one here has the same thing, only it has some larvae and some eggs. Set it right there. This one here has brood, larvae, has drone larvae, brood, dead beetle, looking good. I need to cut some of this propolis off though. Nah. Y'all know that the propolis is kind of like their medicine cabinet, right? Okay, this one here is just a wax foundation. It has some eggs. Still has a red queen right down here. Flipping over to the other side. Red queen. It's a good queen. She's what, last year's? No, she's red queen. She's this year's. This one here has brood, pollen, larvae, eggs. Good frame. Thank y'all for watching and giving us comments too. especially if you see something that I'm doing that's not really right. Could be better. This one here has some nectar, fine straw. No bugs. Looking good. That red queen wasn't really the right color red, I don't think. It's harder to see, but what I had at the time, and it worked. Get back in here. Put them right there. Get my babies over here. Whoa. There you go. We're going to move over here now. Get this one. Pretty sure where the queen is still. Here, Birdie Frame has a little bit of nectar in it. Good. We're just going to take this one and set up over here. This one has brood and larvae, a little honey, maybe eggs. I'm not going to look for eggs anymore. But that's them, looking good. Bottom looks okay. There we go. We got more brood here. They're going to need another box here quick. All these bees start hatching out. This one has larvae, brood. Same thing with this one. No queen cells. It's getting late in the year for queen cells now. And they don't think so. I used to make the splits in September and October. Made a few in November, but the temperature was different back then. It's only been, what, 7 years that I was doing all that, and then the weather started changing. But that's okay. I'm not worried about it. This one here has some brood. No, it don't. Has a little bit of nectar and a little bit of pollen. No bugs. doesn't have much of anything. Temperature's going to be getting down here in a couple of days down to 50s at night. I don't really want to break up their things. Queen will go down. Now I could put this one here on the top. Or not. Queen will come down. Okay, we're gonna put Swiffer sheets in this because what Zigbee and Fred said. But I will put some beetle busters up here. Y'all have seen what we have. I don't want to take the time with putting the beetle busters in there with y'all. Just make it longer. Y'all see what we got. I'm gonna put a couple of beetle busters up in the top. Put some new oil in it. Do the same thing with the one that's going on top. And give them a little bit of food, and they'll just all be happy. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I did. Leave us a comment, thumbs up. Questions if you have them. But y'all got to remember, this is South Carolina. We're still kind of warm enough for the bees anyway. But the way the weather is, I don't like making queen cells and queens this time of the year because we don't have enough drones out there. Not anymore. We've got a honey flow coming up, and we're all happy about that. Y'all take care of yourselves. Be careful. Give us a comment, share, subscribe, let people know where we're at, and we'll talk with you later. Y'all have a good day.